paradiddle for the jazz time. So trading fours in jazz. So in fills and triplets, you can also change the rates. So say we're going to do a simple rock thing, and I'll change the rates between triplets and 16th notes. Just a paradiddle, just change triplets to 16th notes. And of course you can mess around with speeds, accents. I also recommend practicing and using the accents, bass drum and cymbal, just to add some variation. So say 16th notes like this. And keeping a quarter note here in your left foot. Okay? So those are some things to try with the paradiddles. So now we said we have the paradiddle diddle. I'm hoping I'm saying them right. Which would be right, left, right, right, left, left. So what we're adding is a 6-note phrase, but the difference between that and the paradiddle would be right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. They're both 6-note phrases, but the paradiddle diddle we'll say is more legato. And if you start going to the Chaffee book, he'll call the paradiddle diddle, right? That would be called a 6B sticking. A is one single followed by a certain amount of doubles. B is two singles followed by a certain amount of doubles. In this case, two sets of doubles. Right, left, right, right, left, left. Right? So the two singles and then 4 doubles make 6 notes. Now, in this case, the paradiddle for him would be considered a 6D sticking. 4 singles followed by a certain amount of singles. Doubles, excuse me. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 singles and then a double. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then a double. Right? That one alternates hands. So the paradiddle, or the 6D sticking, would be more staccato, has more singles, right? So if we do it, since it's a 6-note grouping, we'll start with triplets, okay? Because that'll be an even phrasing. So let's look at the paradiddle diddle, or the 6B, and hear how that sounds. And I'm bringing out both accents. So we'll just accent the first note. Left hand lead. Now the 6D, or the paradiddle, accenting just the first note. And that one does alternate, although I suggest practicing leading on the left. So what you do with these is the same thing. Just run them around the kit. So we have the 6B, or the paradiddle diddle. And here's some of those built-in rhythms. 6B, if you're playing a lot of jazz, has this sort of built-in jazz pattern to it. If you start on the downbeat, it's a reverse jazz pattern, doing the ding-da-ding in the splang-a-lang, or whatever you call it, into the 2 and 4. But if you start it on beat 2, you get the jazz ride pattern. Okay? With the 6th D, or paradiddle, that's the more staccato, right? So moving those around the kit in triplets. 16th notes, now add the samba, right? And we're going to do the paradiddle diddle, or the 6B. Left hand lead. Paradiddle, or 6D. And making sure that when you do this and you're moving around the kit, change sound sources, but making sure your hands are lining up with your feet.